age of giants, one man dares to face the deadliest serpent of all time. The jungle floor shakes as the Titanoboa hunts. Armed with nothing but stone, he prepares to survive. The serpent's hunger knows no end. The chase has begun, man against monster. The hunter locks onto its prey, but the will to live drives him faster. The jungle holds its breath as predator and prey cross paths. Even the peaceful giants sense danger. Every step could be his last. The jungle is filled with death at every corner. Even water offers no safety. And other hunters join the game. The small man dares to fight giants, but the serpent claims its territory. He must think, not fight. A reminder of what awaits him. One slip means death from above or below. Even stone cannot stop its pursuit. The hunter closes in with terrifying speed. New predators enter the hunt. Even the air shakes with danger. But sometimes monsters clash with monsters. In chaos, he finds his chance. Only one predator rules this land. Water shields him for now. But nothing can hold the serpent back. The will to fight begins to rise. A small strike against a giant foe. But one mistake could end it all. The serpent tightens its grip. But courage strikes back. The jungle itself trembles. A moment of freedom, a chance to live. The serpent rises for the final strike. He turns the land itself into a weapon. Timing is his only hope. The jungle answers his struggle. For the first time, the serpent falters. The impossible has been done. Peace returns, but only for a moment. He bears the scars of survival. Life continues its eternal rhythm. The journey never ends. For the serpent is not truly gone. He moves toward the unknown future. Man learns courage from struggle, but new dangers always await. This is only the beginning of survival. Like, share, and subscribe, and prepare for the next epic story, Homo Habilis versus the Terror Birds.